chairperson bathama jaga Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ka Agatha Sama ka baderu ke MP barim jaga tura ka long ba ka don ya ka thong ban Trei Borbah na ka banta ka bha ka mer jong kitu ki Khynnah ke badon kam ya ka jingarap jong ka ya kani kala prempa ho bakran bakila pathai Khubor haswa bakan kendu ya menteri ketenar social welfare ka Khuborjylla ba polengdo ha kani ka singi baar
office met with the former chairperson and the entire team, and there is so much work that is already being done by the commission, and it's very commendable. And I just hope that somehow I'm also able to add some value and something good to the commission, and I really look forward to it. I think this is like you very rightly pointed out, is something that earlier was never talked about, never came out in the open, but now there are more cases that are being reported, and there is a lot of more awareness by families and also by the victims, and there are a lot of provisions that to help victims get justice, and we are here to assist in that process. I really hope that as a community we become more sensitized and we become a more holistic community. It's not only about the work of the commission, but how our communities, the families, the schools, the teachers, how everybody spreads awareness and works collectively. We are just a small part of it, but we want to work collectively with the community in order to ensure that our children have a safer place to live in. We have to work in coordination with the minister, so I am here to talk to him today, call on him and take it forward. So let's see how it goes. Whatever you do, there will always be criticism. Honestly, I'm here to show my work, and hopefully in the coming time my work would speak for itself. I'm extremely excited to be in this position where I can work for children, because this is something I personally feel that I've always had a very soft corner for children, and they're my favorite people in the world, and I'm very excited to work. So let people say whatever, so I'm just happy that I've been given this opportunity, and I really look forward to working with all of you as well, because we can't work in silos here. When it comes to security and safety of children, we have to work together.